Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord SE 2, and I'll show you how to activate the fingerprint animation here on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the passwords and biometrics. After that, click here to the fingerprint, draw your pattern of password, and here click to fingerprint animation. And just to activate the animation, as can you see, we just have not selected any animations here. Just to activate it, you should select one from these available animations by this way. And now when we'll go back here to the lock screen and we'll try to unlock the device, we can see that we just successfully activate the fingerprint animation on our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.